Hello everyone, good evening. I wanted to make a quick video on my Kenmore Elite HEPA inducer motor vacuum. This is a really nice machine. This machine has height adjustment from low, low, medium high, and high for long fluffy carpets. I use it on medium high most of the time. I like the clear front piece that you can see what's going on. This has a really nice brush roll. It doesn't have any belts. The vacuum works with a motor. It has a direct drive motor system that's built inside the brush roll. And that's how that works. The bristles are long and the bristles are stiff as well, so they provide very good agitation. The wheels are rubber. They have like little rubber things on the middle, and the back wheels are rubber, but they won't scratch your hardwood floors, and it'll be gentle on your floors. The machine also has a nice size HEPA bag. It also has a check bag indicator. When your bag is full or there's a clog, this will light up blue. The HEPA bag is a nice big bag here. It works by OptiFlow technology. It's just like the old Panasonics, like the newer 2000s, I think 2000s Panasonic. It has like a case like built into another case, and it provides airflow throughout the whole cabin of the bag housing. No matter how full the bag is, it'll provide airflow to the top, to the bottom, and the sides at all times. There's also a filter down here in case anything was to happen, like a bag breakage or something. This will protect the motor on the machine. It's a really nice vacuum. It's a little heavy, but works good. If you have like all carpets, it's good. The bag has like stuff in it. If you have like wall-to-wall carpet, this is a perfect vacuum for you. The hose is a bit short. I'll show you now. There's also a rubber seal here that'll seal the suction and the soil from coming out of the vacuum. This clips into place. On the back, you'll have a cord clip that'll help you hold the cord. That way you don't run it over. There's also a pet handymate tool. It's a motorized tool that works air driven, with a belt with the suction of the vacuum, which is really nice to clean pillows or anything like that. This is your dusting brush. It's a small dusting brush. You can slide this off and you will have a upholstery tool. It's kind of rough though. Doesn't have any velvet or anything, but it's provided. Clips right on. You have a wand here, a nice wand. It's not too long. It's that length. It's not that long at all. I like that everything's built in though. That's really nice. The crevice tool is really long and nice. It's a nice crevice tool. It also has a suction relief area so it won't get stuck, and it'll still provide airflow. And it has a HEPA filter in the back as well. It's a big HEPA filter. It's also rubber sealed. That way it seals to the machine. That way no dust escapes. Nice thing about this vacuum, everything like clicks in really nice. This is the hose. The hose has a suction relief also here when you're using tools. You'll be able to release some of the suction when you're using the tools. The hose is short, like I was saying. It looks like it's long, but it's not more than like 5 feet. It's not more than like 5 feet. And when the suction is on, it's even this vacuum has really good suction power though. It has really good suction power. Now we're gonna do a small test on the carpet. I'm gonna place some carpet deodorizer stuff that I use usually. This is the Fragrance Light Carpet and Vacuum Freshener. It refreshes the inside of the vacuum too. It's good for any smells. Pretty good. So then we're gonna get going with the rod. Let's see. Let's bring the camera down. You can see some agitation. See. I like this vacuum a lot, and I've been liking the Elite 800 series as well. They're nice machines. I never knew about Kenmore. I always buy the high-end machines. So I tried, you know, people like these, so let's see if I'm gonna like them as well, and I do. For the money, they're great. Let's see. Like the dual headlights in the front that you have here, 1 and 2, which is really good. You can see it in dark areas when you're cleaning. The edge cleaning on this machine is very good as well. This machine works very good as well. And that's the Kenmore Elite inducer motor system with HEPA filtration. tools. Thank you for watching. Something's wrong with this.